Window installation in Glendale, Arizona is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. With a variety of replacement windows, Glendale options available, including energy-efficient windows, vinyl windows, and double-hung windows, Glendale residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Window contractors in Glendale offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process. Energy-efficient windows in Glendale are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Glendale window installation experts can provide guidance on the best energy-efficient window options for your specific needs. Vinyl windows in Glendale, Arizona are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, making them an excellent choice for the Arizona climate. Glendale window contractors can help you select the right vinyl windows to match your home's style and budget. Double-hung windows in Glendale offer a classic look with modern functionality. These windows are easy to clean and provide excellent ventilation, making them a popular choice for residential windows in Glendale, Arizona. Window specialists in Glendale can assist with selecting and installing double-hung windows to enhance your home's aesthetic appeal. Custom windows in Glendale, AZ provide homeowners with the opportunity to create unique window designs that reflect their personal style. Whether you're looking for bay windows, casement windows, or sliding windows, Glendale window experts can craft custom solutions to meet your specific requirements. Replacement Windows Glendale, Arizona is essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your home windows. From fixing broken window glass to addressing issues with window frames, Glendale Window Replacement Services ensure your windows remain in top condition. Window maintenance in Glendale, Arizona is key to extending the lifespan of your windows. Sliding windows in Glendale offer a sleek and modern look, perfect for contemporary homes. These windows are easy to operate and provide unobstructed views, making them a popular choice for homeowners in Glendale. Window contractors in Glendale can help you choose the best sliding windows for your home. Bay windows in Glendale, AZ add architectural interest and increase natural light in any room. These windows create a cozy nook and enhance the overall design of your home. Glendale window specialists can assist with the installation and customization of bay windows to suit your space. Casement windows in Glendale, Arizona are known for their excellent ventilation and unobstructed views. These windows open outward, allowing for maximum airflow and natural light. Glendale window contractors can provide expert installation services for casement windows, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. Glendale window contractors offer comprehensive window services, including window estimates, window upgrades, and window solutions. Whether you're looking to replace old windows or upgrade to more energy-efficient options, Replacement Windows Glendale experts can provide the guidance and expertise you need.